cats, not the outside. It makes me choke. So, my name's Tristan. This is my bike check. We'll start with the front. I have a Cinema 77 wheel laced to a profile totem, I think, with a dual table and 2.25. And I have the Colt V2 black chrome fork with Odyssey headset with the Colt Salvation top load stem. I really like this stem a lot. I have Shadow Bolt this bars, if I said that right, with an 8.5 rise with Gary Young grips with Odyssey bars. And my frame is a 2012 Sunday Forecaster Special. I love this frame. And my bottom bracket is Verdane with some fit sprocket my friend gave me, 28.9 gearing I have, and the Colt OS cranks in black chrome with some dual pedals. I don't even know what it's called. And I have the Sunday seat clamp with Colt seat post with the Colt back seat. The seat's like heaven. And in the back, I have the Cinema 77 wheel placed to the profile totem with a duo tire with the Colt chain. Guess that's my boy. I have sex stickers right here.
Yeah, let me zoom in on that.
SEF. That. Up check?
Yeah.
Up check.